about putting the screen in is to keep your frames from not bowing. That is the trick. But I just start. You gotta be kind of strong to be able to push that spline in. I'm sure I'll make it look a whole lot easier than what it is. Checking the bottom, making sure I ain't got too much of a bow in my frame, because it's so easy to get a bow. Once again, I pull a little bit of tension on that. Push down. And then the last one's kind of crucial. This is the one that usually bends like crazy. So what I do is I'll take my finger and roll over the edge. Get started. Come out here, pull, roll over the edge, and then go. And then look at it. It's got a slight bow, but I'm gonna let it ride. Screen looks tight. So now I'll fold the screen over on itself, come back and get it down in there real good. And I fold the screen over on top of the other screen because these little tools will cut the screen, and if you go to do this without that screen, you'll have a high chance of cutting it. And if you cut it, it'll leave a, you don't want to leave a crack all the way over. But anyway, that's it. Screen's nice and tight. Now I go to trimming. And I have been at this point to clean it up and have actually nicked the damn screen and had to redo it. So it pays to be careful during this last little bit. And there is one of 7 replacement screens. Screens all nice and tight. Once you put it in there, it'll straighten up. These 2 little clips, boom, done. Hope everybody's having a productive day.